Here it comes. You guys can't see it out there on the road. Way out there, gonna turn that corner. Here she comes. All right, yeah, I look like a nun currently, but it's cold out here. It's like, I don't know, 27 degrees out this morning. And coming from California, I'm not used to this weather, so I got my little ski mask on, keep my ears warm. But I wanted to take you guys on a tour of a first look at my first tractor that I bought. My very first tractor. And just tell you a little bit about it. Here she is. This is the Kioti CK27. And to be honest, I've never heard of a Kioti before. It's the first time I've heard of it. I found it used at Lynch Equipment and on Craigslist. Went and looked at it, talked to the salesman, told me all about it, and picked it up. So it came with this front end loader, which has quick detach right here. It's really simple. The guy just showed me how to operate it. You just flip those up, maneuver the bucket. It's real simple, easy, easy, easy. So I thought it was gonna be a task, but no, real simple. So it's got the Kioti KL130 front end loader. It's 4-wheel drive, diesel. It is not a hydrostatic. Right. It's got the 540 PTO on the back. She's a looker. It's got 460 hours on this thing. Here's a look at the dash. Got your PTO control here. This is your bucket control here. This is, oh, I'm sorry, getting out of hand here. This controls your 3-point hitch speed that you raise and lower your 3-point hitch right here. This is your differential. To engage your rear differential, you just step on that with your heel. This is your shifter, first, second, third, and fourth. And then you have low, neutral, and high, so eight speeds altogether. And this, I think, is your rear PTO speed right there. Controls your PTO. Key for the ignition. So you have a throttle up here, forward and reverse here, and then down here you got your brakes, and you also have a foot throttle down here. The other side has your clutch, again, because this is not a hydrostatic transmission. Yeah, first tractor, first look. To be quite honest, I was concerned about the name brand, but apparently they've been in business for 40 years. It is foreign made, I think Korea maybe. I wanted something like a Mahindra or Kubota or John Deere, but like I said, this thing was priced right, and it's relatively clean, good condition. So I'll let you know how it goes. Yeah. All right, let's fire this bad boy up for the first time. So you got to clutch it. Oh, it had the clutch lock in. So let's clutch it. Key. So there's a light on that right. You can't see it. How do I show you? Oh, right there. It just went off, that light. So that's like your, I don't know, glow plugs or whatever. When it goes off, you're good to go. So it looks like that's parking brake. So I hit the control with my knee. So this looks like to be the parking brake right here. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. So push in the brake, push it down, and it holds the That's your parking brake. Push in, it pops up, the parking brake is off, and the light on the dash also went off. So I don't know if you can see, 463 hours. Half a tank of gas. Foot throttle. Down there, hand throttle. Right there. Bucket comes up. We're currently in low gear. Right. Shifted into first. Let off the clutch. Alright, so we ain't going nowhere. Oh, probably because it ain't in gear. There we go. Alright. So that's interesting. So, not quite sure how that's going to work. Oh, there we go. So, looks like you have to lift it up. Neutral, forward, neutral. There's 3 clicks in there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So now we're in first gear and forward. There we go. It's a little slower than I was expecting. Okay, so first gear. Let's go clutch it. Second. That's in third gear. Fourth gear. So that's fourth gear low. It's pretty decent. Okay, let's go see what we can get in high gear. So, neutral, into high, into first. Oh yeah, much faster. Second gear, one high. There we go. Third gear. Oh yeah. I don't think I'd need to go in the fourth gear unless I'm driving down a road. Quick tour around the prop. So one thing I noticed, this thing has power steering. The last tractor I drove, there was no one hand in it. It was hard to turn. So that's good. All right, that's it. It's the first little drive around. Gotta put my fencing out in the field. It's pretty heavy. Putting my tractor to use. First job. gonna dump it over the fence.